York, it's not unusual for building owners or general contractors to reject your insurance. Don't panic. Rob McCarthy here with GRBM, and today I'm going to walk you through what to do if your insurance is rejected. Without a detailed explanation as to why your insurance is being rejected, the delays can continue for months and months. Not going to name any names here, but recently we had a client and we went back and forth for approximately 3 months on a coverage issue that didn't exist. At the end of the day, it just took some phone calls, some clear communication, and we got the issue resolved. No changes, no additional premium, just communication. While communication is great, a lot of the coverage rejection issues here in New York revolve around Action Over. I'm not going to get super involved in Action Over in this video, but if the reason your policy is being rejected has to do with Action Over, you should prepare yourself, because this is not going to be a simple, easy, or inexpensive resolution. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is get either an insurance requirement sheet or a sample certificate from whomever is rejecting your insurance. You've probably gotten this email with all of these documents, and you're going to want to go ahead and just delete that and pretend none of this happened. What you need to do is save those documents and send them to your current broker, or if you're looking for a new broker, send them to me, and we can then review them and help figure out what you need to do to get back on the job. We recently had an issue where a risk manager wanted the 1986 edition of the additional insured endorsement. When it comes to these sort of things, it's just easier to comply than fight. If they want semicolons instead of commas between each additional insured, fine. It's just not worth the hassle. 99% of the time, if it's an Action Over issue, it's going to require a rewrite of all of your liability policies. This is going to come at a pretty significant increased cost. There is no magic insurance policy that's going to cost $50 more or even a few $100s more than what you're currently paying and provide this coverage. At the end of the day, there's really only a few insurance brokers here in the state of New York that really do a good job with this type of coverage. The underwriters that provide this sort of coverage like to decline. And guess what? Then their job is done. They don't have to think about you anymore. My apologies for all the doom and gloom, but it is super important how exactly you go about resolving rejected insurance. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Click the link in the description below if you want to continue the conversation.